Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a dotted line around a shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, custom shape, fill color, stroke color black and color dotted, and find shape. I use this stars. Okay, then hold shift, stroke black, hold shift, the fixed size, stroke size, outline, again change the stroke size, stroke line size. That's it. Okay, and another way, click the again pen tool and do not use fill, only stroke. Oh, sorry. Create new layer and apply the same process. Do not use fill, only stroke. Then click the corner. I use example. You can use smoothly. Increase the size. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.